Alright guys, we're now going to be looking at constructing a 30-degree angle. And the first thing we're going to do in constructing a 30-degree angle is to construct a 60-degree angle and then bisect that angle, which means to cut it in two. So let's go ahead and attempt to construct a 30-degree angle. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a line. And of course, we're going to indicate the vertex. And this time I'm constructing a 30-degree angle in that direction. So I first have to construct a 60-degree. So again, the compass is closed and I'm going to open it up. And once I've opened it up, I'm not going to shift the compass again. So I'm putting the point of the compass on vertex, and essentially I'm going to swing an arc. And once I have the arc cutting the line, again, I'm not going to shift the compass. I'm going to put the point here where the arc cuts the line and swing another arc. Now, what I'm essentially doing here is constructing a 60-degree angle, just like that. And it's always a good idea to test to make sure that your angle is correct before you proceed, because you will need to have the 60-degree angle properly constructed and being accurate in order to get the 30-degree angle. So that is in fact 60 degrees. So now I can go ahead and bisect that angle to get the 30-degree angle. So what I'm now going to be using, so I'm just going to highlight this a little bit. You don't have to do that in your construction, but for you to see on the video, I'm just emphasizing these 2 points because these are the points I'm now going to be using to bisect this angle to get the 30. So again, my compass is closed. So now I'm going to open it up. And when I open it out, I'm not going to shift it anymore. So I'm going to put the point of the compass here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing an arc, just like this. I'm going to lift it up without shifting, put the point of the compass here, and swing an arc so that I have 2 arcs intersecting each other here. So what I'm going to do is simply draw a line from the original vertex through the intersection of both arcs, just like that, right? And try to avoid missing like I would have done in this particular case, all right? So try to get the line going through the arc exactly, and then you can just use your protractor to test, because from here to here is going to be the 30-degree angle that you're constructing. And of course, 30-degree would also be up here. But if they're asking you to construct 30 degrees, this is what you actually want. So again, you can test to make sure that your angle is in fact correct. And you can see there that it is 30 degrees, right? So 30-degree angle has been constructed. There's a 30-degree angle up here as well. And actually, if I were to construct bisect this angle up here using these 2 points and swing and get a line drawn through here, then 30 plus 15 would give you 45 right there. But we're not being asked to do that. Now, one of the things I just want to emphasize is that if I have constructed a 30-degree angle here, then indirectly I would be constructing a 150-degree angle here indirectly, because 150 degree plus 30 would give me 180, which would mean obviously sum of angles in a straight line had to give you 180. So when I construct this 30-degree angle, which represents this measure here, then from here going all the way around to here would be 150 degrees. So when you construct one angle, you indirectly construct another one as well. Let's go ahead and do another construction of a 30-degree angle. So again, I'm going to draw a line, just like that. And then I'm going to indicate that vertex on the line, which is here. And again, the compass is closed. I'm going to open it, and once I've opened it, I'm not going to shift it again. So I'm going to put the point here. And I'm going to swing an arc, just like this. I'm going to lift it without shifting. Put a point where the arc intersects the line so I could correctly construct that 60-degree angle, which is necessary first. So I'm just going to draw a line from here through the intersecting arcs like that. That would be 60 degrees, obviously. And of course, again, just for emphasis, these are the 2 points that I'm now going to be using to bisect the 60-degree angle. Bisect means to cut in two. So again, I have the compass, open it without shifting. I'm going to put the point here. I'm going to swing an arc, lift without shifting, put the point here, swing an arc, and where both arcs intersect, just draw a line from the original vertex through where both arcs intersect as carefully as possible, and this angle here from here to here is going to be 30 degrees. I'm just going to do it this way in the next construction. So let me just get the 30-degree angle drawn this way, or constructed this way. So I'm going to just draw a line here, and I'm going to put a vertex here. So what I want to do is construct a 60-degree angle first and then the 30-degree angle afterwards. So again, my compass is closed. I'm going to open it and not shift again. So I'm going to put the point here, swing an arc, lift without shifting the compass, put the point of the compass where the arcs intersect that line, swing an arc, get this 60-degree angle established. Which is that, okay? And then what I'm going to do now is bisect the 60-degree angle. So I'm going to be, I'm just emphasizing again these 2 points that I'll be putting the compass point on. Again, you don't need to do that. Now, obviously, you're not going to be doing construction because you're going to be doing paper one. However, they can give you a diagram in the question and ask you what angle is being shown. So you have to know the angles. And of course, you guys know me already. I must complete the syllabus in full, regardless of whether or not you're getting a paper 2, to ensure that you have maximum and all ammunition. All right. So again, I'm just going to bisect the 60-degree angle here. Again, I have the compass. I'm going to open it out, and after opening it out, I'm not going to shift it anymore. So I'm going to put the compass point here. I'm going to swing an arc, just like this. Lift it up, put the compass point here, swing an arc. And where both arcs intersect, I'm going to be drawing a line going through there. Very, very simple. And what you should do, I'm using a pen in my compass for emphasis, but again, you are using your geometry set. And you notice that whenever you buy a geometry set, the pencil that is in the compass is a short one. And the reason for that is when you're swinging, you don't want a long pencil hitting your finger. And that is when the things start shifting and making your construction a little bit inaccurate. But I have to endure this because I need you to see the lines as bright as possible while you're watching the video. So that is how you construct a 30-degree angle. I hope you guys found this video insightful. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next video.